Today, as we said, we will read some of the important aspects of Lord appearance of Ramachandra, Ramanavami. Some of the following quotes are from His Divine Grace, Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada on Lord Rama's appearance day. One of his lectures has been taken out when he was delivering in Bombay. So this process should be adopted. How to become Sukritina? Sukriti means Yajna, Dana, Tapa, Kriya. One must perform sacrifices as prescribed in the Shastras, and they must give in charity their hard-earned money for Krishna cause. Now this question applies for everybody. We have to question ourselves. Answering your God. That is called Dana. Yajna, Dana and Tapasya. Tapasya is just like tomorrow is Sri Ramanavami. The Tapasya will be that all the devotees will observe fasting from morning till evening. This is called Tapasya. Just like Ekadasi day, there is no eating sumptuously. Simply you take little fruits and flowers. Try to avoid that also. You don't take even water. That is really Ekadashi. But because we cannot do it in the Kali Yuga, that time is different. Therefore, we are all allowed to take little fruit and milk, which is called Anukalpa. These are different methods of Tapasya and Yajna. This Yajna Sankirtanai prayer Yajna hai, Yajnati hi Sumedashaha. In this age, you cannot perform that big Ashwamedha Yajna, Gomedha Yajna, Rajasuya Yajna, so many other Yajnas. It is not possible. First of all, you have no means to perform such Yajnas. Hundreds and hundreds of tons ghee is required for putting into the sacrificial fire. You have not even a drop of your ghee. So forget all those Yajnas. In this age, Yajna Sankirtana Praya.
Krishna Saving